one last thing I want to show is how the programming of the parameters has changed, advanced from the previous drives here. It's been improved. So we're going to go to parameters. This is an example. I'm going to open it up. I'm going to go to the application parameter group. I'm going to open that up. And we're going to go to the frequency reference, the B1s. I'm going to open that up. And we're going to look at B101, first speed point in this drive. Okay. So I'm going to open it up. This arrow key in the center is how you open it. When you open it, it has the parameter. It tells you on the screen what it's programmed to. It tells you the default setting, and it gives you the range. I'm going to change this. I'm going to arrow across. I'll change this to 30 hertz in this quick example. I'm going to lock it in, and it's done. Okay. Now, if I open it up again, right, everything you see is there. Okay.